Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. This inner flap contraption is a little confusing to me, so I don't know if this will help you guys or not. This piece here has a pin in the front, a poke pin. You get it in like that, tucks in over the control arm, comes out like that. Then you put your guard back up like that. Then you take this piece here and it goes, I call it upside down, like this. Then you put your two plastic nuts on it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.